Hi everyone, welcome to Math 254 Linear Algebra. I'm your professor Laura Scott. This class is going to be run asynchronously, which means we have recorded lectures and then there'll be quizzes to go along with those lectures every week, and we'll have weekly homework. This first week you're going to learn how to navigate Canvas. You'll learn how to use discussion boards, how to work through assignments that might be in there. Make sure that you're prepared to be taking an online class as well. You'll be reading through the syllabus, and there will be a syllabus quiz that you need to take. And then you're just going to learn all the different things, how to make the homework account so that you're all set up for success, because we're going to be using WebAssign for our homework, as well as using it for exams. So you want to make sure that you have one of those accounts, because if you don't, you won't be able to do your homework or the exams. So that's going to be a part of your first week as well. That being said, there will be office hours once a week, and I really encourage you to come and make sure you're getting your questions answered. I'm happy to work with anybody, and you can find those hours in the syllabus. These will be held through Zoom. The nice thing about them is that we can actually talk through the problems and answer questions going through them together than having to try to work through it with email. We certainly can answer questions through email as well. If my office hours don't work, that's okay. We can set up a time to meet separately by just making an appointment. You can contact me through my email address or through the Canvas inbox and let me know what your questions and concerns are, or if you just want to have a meeting. I really look forward to working with you all. I want to be there to help support you and be successful in this virtual learning. I know that it can be a little bit more difficult to learn this way, but you're not alone. Even though we're not meeting face-to-face, I'm still here to help anytime that you have questions. So please never hesitate to reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. I really want to help you be successful and get through this course. We will be having our exams, like I said, on WebAssign, so you want to keep track of that. The main thing with learning online can be time management. So I do have an assignment to work through things with time management as well, and just sort of think about how you'll plan your week. I know that a lot of us are staying home or working from home, but it also means sometimes we're working a little bit more than maybe we would if we actually were going to a location. So thinking about how you're going to fit everything in that you need to is going to be very beneficial, and trying to schedule your week so that you can accomplish all the daily tasks that you need to. And again, I'm going to be here to help with that and try to get you through it. And if you need help making that schedule, just kind of reach out and we can work together to help things kind of fit together. I look forward to getting to know all of you. I really appreciate if you can come into Zoom at least once so that I can put a face and a name together and we can actually talk and visit a little bit or just go through questions so I can get to know you. I can't wait to work with you all. I hope that it's a great semester and I will see you in Zoom.